The AI video space is moving fast, but every so often, a release feels different. That's the energy building right now around Higgsfield and its upcoming launch, Seedance 2.0. If you've been anywhere near AI creator Twitter, YouTube, or short-form video communities this week, you've probably seen the whispers. Early clips, technical previews, subtle teasers, creator reactions, and while full specifications aren't officially confirmed yet, the public signals already suggest something significant is coming. Let's break down what's known so far, what creators are expecting, and why Seedance 2.0 might set a new bar for AI storytelling. First, what is Higgsfield? If you're new here, Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies right now, with one clear mission: to become the most creator-friendly AI platform in the world. They want speed, simplicity, flexibility, and control. Seedance has been Higgsfield's flagship AI video model, and each version has pushed closer to professional grade cinematic storytelling inside a single workflow. Now, with Seedance 2.0 labeled coming soon, anticipation is building. The evolution 1.0 to 1.5, Pro to 2.0. To understand the hype, you have to look at the progression. Seedance 1.0 focused on foundational AI video generation, solid motion, decent scene composition, but limited flexibility and iteration control. Seedance 1.5 Pro, improved visual fidelity, smoother movement, stronger texture rendering, and more stable outputs. Faster generation, more usable for professional creators. Now, Seedance 2.0 coming soon. From early reports and technical previews, it's not just an incremental upgrade, it looks like a structural leap. What's known so far, based on public signals? Quick note, specifications are not officially confirmed. Seedance 2.0 appears to interpret multiple modalities simultaneously and merge them into one cohesive output. If true, this changes everything. Another major signal: simultaneous audio and video generation. Not separate layers, not stitched afterward, generated together. Early examples suggest footsteps matching pace, environmental sounds adapt to scene movement, music integrated contextually, ambient tones reacting to visual intensity. If Seedance 2.0 truly enables targeted edits within the same generation session, it dramatically reduces production time. That's not just convenience, that's workflow transformation. 4. 1080p output plus faster generation. Quality improvements are also being reported. Full HD 1080p output, approximately 30% faster generation compared to 1.5 Pro. Motion has always been the biggest challenge in AI video. From what's circulating, smooth athletic movements, complex choreography, realistic gesture transitions, physically consistent body dynamics. Seedance V2, motion synthesis reportedly powers 5 to 12-second clips with higher realism and fluidity. For short-form creators, that's prime duration. For ad creatives, that's usable. For storytelling, that's modular. Motion realism is what separates AI-looking video from believable cinematic output. And this is where expectations are high. 6. Multi-shot storytelling. This might be the most ambitious piece. Instead of isolated clips, Seedance 2.0 appears to support narrative sequences, scene transitions that make sense, lighting that adapts contextually. 7. Character consistency breakthrough. Character consistency has been one of AI video's biggest weaknesses. From what's circulating, facial features remain stable, clothing stays consistent, accessories persist, identity holds across shots. That's huge, because once a character becomes stable, they become brandable. You can build a recurring persona, a digital influencer, a fictional protagonist, a campaign face. Consistency unlocks scalability. Why this matters for creators? Seedance 2.0 isn't just about higher resolution, it's about control. The biggest barrier in AI video today is unpredictability. Creators want directional authority, faster iteration, fewer manual fixes, story-level coherence. If even half of these early signals are accurate, Seedance 2.0 could significantly reduce friction in the creative loop. When visiting Higgsfield.ai, the workflow appears streamlined. 1. Upload assets image, video, audio, text prompt. 2. Arrange or stack multimodal inputs. 3. Define narrative intent. 4. Generate 5. Edit via prompt adjustments. 6. Extend or combine scenes. 7. Export in 1800p. It's not just generation anymore, it's direction. What creators should watch for at launch. When Seedance 2.0 officially drops, key things to evaluate. True multimodal performance. Does it merge inputs cleanly? Audio sync reliability. Character lock stability. Seedance 2.0 is still labeled coming soon, but the signals point towards something ambitious. Multimodal stacking. Native AV generation. In-model editing. Stronger motion. Character consistency. Multi-shot storytelling. If it delivers on even most of that, it won't just be another version update. It could redefine how creators approach AI filmmaking. The smart move right now? Watch closely, test early, experiment fast. Because if this is the direction AI video is heading, creators who understand it first will have the advantage. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms with a clear mission: build the most creator-friendly AI video ecosystem in the world. In this video, we break down everything publicly known so far about Seedance 2.0 coming soon. We also walk through the Higgsfield.ai interface and explain what creators should watch for at launch. Seedance 2.0 could represent a major leap in AI storytelling, but how big is the upgrade really? Let's break it down. What's new in Seedance 2.0?